When you're using Desmos in order to verify your answers on exponent rule problems, sometimes you'll put in a problem and you'll either get no sliders or only some of the sliders will come up. So let me show you what that means. All right, so here I've put in an exponent rule problem that needs simplifying, but you'll notice that Desmos only gave me a slider for one of my variables. I have an x, a y, and a z, but only a slider for z. And this is just something that happens with Desmos. When it sees an x and a y, it will not give you a slider. So the way around it is that you're just going to have to get in the habit of changing your x and your y to different letters. And I always change mine to A and B. That way I always know which is which. So I'm just going to go in and change my X's to A's and my Y's to B's. And notice that when I'm doing this, all of a sudden, I've got a slider for my A, my B, and my Z. Now I can just go through the process of verifying my answer. So I'm going to ask for a slider for all. I'm going to drag each of my sliders to something different, all of them being decimals of some form. And now I have my value based on these three sliders for the problem. Then I'm going to solve the problem, simplify the problem either on my whiteboard or on paper. And when I go to type in my answer to verify it, again, I'm going to have to use A and B instead of X and Y. So when I type it in, I have A, B raised to the third over C. And right now my numbers are not the same, but when I finish the problem and I look, my two boxes are the same, so I know I have verified it.